Woman being sought by police following death of husband. Uncle killed after intervening in nephew's dispute with woman. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police have launched a search for a woman suspected to have killed her husband during a domestic dispute at their home in Wakefield, Trelawney, Saturday morning. The deceased is 59-year-old David Brown, otherwise called David. Residents stated that the tragic incident came after what was described as a tumultuous relationship between the man and his wife. A piece of concrete block believed to have been used to deliver the fatal blow was found on the scene. Information reaching us was that about 7 a.m., residents heard screams and commotion involving the woman and her husband. Superintendent Winston Milton, head of Trelawney Police, is urging that the wife surrender. 29-year-old Ricardo Romes, a chef of Rose Heights, St. James, was charged with murder in connection with the death of his uncle. Romes was charged with the murder of 55-year-old Bentley Vaughns, a mason of the same address as the accused. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that about 2 a.m., Romes had an altercation with a woman when Vaughns intervened. A dispute developed between Romes and Vaughns when Romes reportedly pulled a knife and stabbed the now deceased on his hand. It is alleged that Vaughns was assisted inside his house when Romes kicked off the door and attacked him with a weapon. Vaughns was reportedly stabbed several times to the left side of his chest. The police were summoned and Vaughns was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Romes was taken into custody and charged after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. A court date for him is being finalized for the accused, the police stated.